Hey guys, Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover staking Solana within Kraken and earning staking rewards. Let's take a look. You're probably wondering, what is Solana? Solana is a web-scale blockchain that provides fast, secure, scalable, decentralized apps and marketplaces. The system currently supports 65,000 transactions per second and 400 millisecond block times. This would allow transaction throughput to scale proportionately with network bandwidth, satisfying all properties of a blockchain: scalability, security, and decentralization. Founded in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko from Solana Labs, the Solana blockchain adopts a new method of verifying transactions. Using a method known as proof of history, the Solana blockchain can actually handle thousands of transactions per second. Sol is Solana's native cryptocurrency, which acts as a utility token. Users need Sol to pay transaction fees when making transfers or interacting with smart contracts. The network burns Sol as part of the deflationary model. Sol holders can also become network validators. Just like Ethereum, Solana allows developers to build smart contracts and create projects based on the blockchain. The Sol cryptocurrency plays a key role in maintaining and operating the Solana ecosystem and is used to execute smart contracts, send transactions, and incentivize actors that support the network. The Solana protocol is intended to serve both small-time users and enterprises alike. One of Solana's main promises to customers is that they will not be surprised by increased fees and taxes. The protocol is designed in such a way as to have low transaction costs while guaranteeing scalability and fast processing. Let's begin. Open the Coinbase app. Select Sol Wallet. Click on the send icon on the top right. Select Max. Continue. Now here you want to copy the Kraken wallet address. Open Kraken. Select Solana. Click on the ellipses on the top right. Deposit. Continue. Now share address. Copy. Head back to Coinbase. Paste this address. You can write a note from Coinbase. Preview send. Verify everything looks correct. Send now. Success. And you can view the transaction. Navigate back to Kraken. Click on the Balances tab. Select Transaction History. Here you can see the Solana has deposited successfully. In order to enable staking, you'll have to access Kraken on a web browser. This is the home page. Click on the Earn tab. Select the giant purple stake button. Choose Solana. Select 100%. Hit stake. Success. You can verify this by looking at the History tab. Here we have 4.999 Solana staked. Kraken pays out rewards twice a week. Kraken is currently paying up to 6.5% APY on Solana staking, compounded weekly. You can redeem your rewards at any time. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.